guys, this gorgeous Shaikh. Hi guys, what's good? I am Maahek Nair. Thank you for watching our channel Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Today we are going to be doing an easy vegan recipe that's called as a Chana Chaat. Let's go and see the recipe. Request you to please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. Let's go. "100 grams of boiled chickpeas. Here I have 15 grams of chopped onion. It is optional. Here I have 30 grams of boiled potato. You can also opt for sweet potato. So it's a great post-workout meal. Then here I have 2 tablespoons of Epigama Greek yogurt natural unsweetened. Here I have 1 tablespoon of homemade sesame seeds. So that's a sesame seeds paste. 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala and half a lime juice. You could also add green chili and coriander to the same. Now I'm going to whip this mixture nicely, give it a nice toss, and our healthy Chana Chaat is ready. Our Chana Chaat is ready. It is really simple, cooks less than 5 minutes. It's a great source of protein. It's a great option for vegan people. It's loaded with fiber. And lastly, it improves digestion. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time. Lots of love.